Hi kitty cats. We have our Ipsy bags and we're gonna rip them open and show you what we got. Don't forget to share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that bell twice if you want notifications. And who's going first?
Ooh.
She's going first because she already has it out of the bag.
You're just slow.
Show them the
Also,
bag.
I'm kind of speeding up.
Show them the bag still.
Yeah. They don't get to see the bag? Okay. It kind of reminds me of mermaids.
It's kind of like
it has
hollow.
a shimmer.
Yeah. You can't really tell on the camera for some reason.
Well, they can tell if I kind of move it like that. But yeah, it has a shimmer. For some reason, there's plastic over the Ipsy thing. Maybe it's candy.
I don't. It's not candy.
It's not candy. Don't eat your purses. So, well, first we got this. That actually showed pretty well.
Yeah.
And 30% cash back, Mom.
Yeah.
It doesn't really say the title of what it's called, does it?
No.
This theme.
Just as July 2018.
Oh, that's the theme, July 2018, guys.
Okay.
And we got sugar. Not sugar pill, sadly. But
Still doesn't want to focus.
Alright, I'll take a picture of it if my mom doesn't get it. And it's like kind of a dark teal.
I'd say a dark green.
Oh my god. Punch my mom.
You don't cover your whole face. It's part of the problem.
Hold on.
You only cover part of your face. The hair does not cover your... That doesn't work. You have to block it better
I
than
can
that.
dream. And then Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof cleanser.
Ooh, Smashbox.
Does that match my
Concealer.
skin? Well, that's what I meant, concealer.
Your concealer really should be like a shade lighter than your foundation.
Is that covering my
You're
face?
super pale, so you have to give it a
I'm
few minutes,
so
too.
pale that it thinks that... Yeah, no, I give
I
up.
don't know why it doesn't want to focus.
It's probably because the camera's like, I'm done with you.
The camera's not done with me. It just doesn't have a very good battery right now. Needs to be charged. Can't find the charger.
That spider's creeping me out, Mom. Is that a water spider?
Hmm?
Sorry. I think there's a water spider on our window.
Oh, wow, yeah, it's a big spider.
Mellow.
Doesn't bother me. What's the color?
Why am I trying to make it focus?
I don't know.
Like, we might as well just say what we got and then take a picture of it and put it in the screen.
That's not gonna work.
It's pink. Why do I even bother? They can tell it's hot pink.
Yeah.
It doesn't even focus. And this is...
This is Sundays.
It's so weird. Cut that out. I don't want my cough in this video.
What is this?
It looks like a foundation. Maybe we should read it.
Why would we do that? Oh, it's
Oh.
nail polish.
Nah, this is totally a foundation. I'm not gonna...
I can see the color.
Wait, maybe I do.
No, it's focusing on your face.
Hi.
It really wants to focus on your face.
Sundays, no. Number 45.
It's pretty. It's like a periwinkle blue.
Non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free. Vegan.
So, nothing wrong with vegan makeup.
But I did notice something about this bag.
What?
There's a lot of blues.
A lot of blue going on.
And one pink.
Okay. You're done, right?
Yeah.
Hot stuff. So I've got some
Watch me put lipstick on.
Caffeine Rush Nourishing Sheet Mask. So, nice sheet masks. We know I like sheet masks. And I'll pull out this. I got the same thing. The purse. Well, purse, not the purse, the makeup bag. And same little thingy here.
It's not as moist as I thought it would be.
What, the lipstick?
Yeah.
I've got Wander Beauty Glotion Lotion Illuminatrice. It's an illuminator or a highlighter.
Oh, it barely transfers.
So, yeah. So, yeah. There's this.
People don't need to see my face. Even though I have pretty
It's not
lipstick
focusing anyways today. I do not know
Well,
what's going on there.
we can put the pictures inside.
Yeah, it's an illuminator.
Sorry, guys.
I don't usually go for liquid or cream. Ooh, that was a lot that came out. It just kind of blends into the skin. Like I'm not seeing, oh yeah, I see a little bit of shine. It's very small sample. Because when I pushed it, like, this wasn't full at all. That was, which I find disappointing. Like, that's super small in there. I hate it when it looks bigger than it is, you know? We've got some eyeshadow. I think it's eyeshadow. What are here? Ella Eden, London. Pressed Harmony. Okay. What are you doing over there? You're making weird faces.
Did you block me on purpose?
Okay. So this is like a peachy kind of shimmery color. And it's got lots of plastic over it to keep you from getting it open. There it goes. Didn't even look. Focus, focus, focus. It is focusing. Aha!
It's just taking
It's
a really
focusing
long
for me.
time.
There we go. You're not patient enough.
Now it wasn't. It's not focusing on your
Yeah,
face.
but it's going back. See. I've got a lipstick too
Not patient
from
enough.
Mellow. Probably the same color, I suspect.
I'll be mad if it's a different color.
Why would you be
I don't know
mad?
why. I get mad when it's a different color. Because then I don't get it.
Plastic sticks to you?
You're making it stick on my leg!
Yay!
It's stuck.
So, let's try it.
But do you feel the texture of it? It's not as like moist as you would think it would.
Moist. She just wants to say moist over and over again to annoy people. The color is really pretty.
Why does that annoy people? I don't get it.
It doesn't annoy me either, but... And I also got
It's
the
just a texture.
Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer.
It's an adjective. Moist is an adjective, guys.
Okay, this time it doesn't want to focus. Okay,
It really hates us.
so that was all our stuff.
You gonna take pictures?
No,
I'm gonna take pictures.
but I want to put it up right away. I need to go edit this.
Exactly. I'm gonna take pictures and send it to you for Facebook.
You better do it quickly. So,
Are you recording this still?
yes. All right, kitty cats.
Better do it quickly. You know what? Now I'm not gonna take pictures of it. And now this is stuck on me.
So, remember, Always be kind, even when you want to slap them in the face. Although Cassie prefers it when I say punch them in the face.
Makes sense.
Not cool.
I love you.
Yeah.
So I'm secretly plotting a plan to like destroy the
Bye,
world.
kitty cats.
Bye.